You're one question away from becoming unforgettable to almost anyone you meet. Not louder, not smarter, not more impressive. Just one question asked the right way, and most people will never realize why it works. There's a simple psychological truth. Talk to someone about themselves, and they'll listen for hours. But this isn't about small talk. This is about influence, connection, and something much deeper. From a psychological perspective, humans are wired in a fascinating way. We experience a subtle reward every time we talk about ourselves. It's not ego, it's biology. When someone gives us space to express who we are, our opinions, our experiences, our emotions, our brain lights up in a way that feels good, safe, validating. And here's the key. We subconsciously link that feeling to the person we're talking to. That's you. But most people sabotage this without even noticing. They ask questions like it's an interview, or worse. They interrupt, redirect, or bring everything back to themselves. That breaks the effect instantly. Instead, do this. Ask questions that open doors, not close them. Listen like you're discovering something rare. React. Don't rehearse. And when someone shares something, go one layer deeper. Not, what do you do? But what made you choose that? Not, where are you from? But what's something about that place most people don't understand? Now you're not just talking, you're unlocking people. Here's the paradox. The people who try the least to prove themselves are the ones others feel the strongest need to impress. And it all starts with letting someone feel seen. Next conversation. Don't aim to stand out. Make the other person feel like they already do. If you want more insights like this, leave a like, subscribe, and stay close, because this is just the surface.